It is a beautiful day. I just got back from Hawaii. I was going to record a Hawaii vlog for you guys, but honestly, I was having so much fun and just being in the moment. I didn't end up making a full vlog, but I'm going to insert a few clips right here from my trip so you guys can see. We stayed in Oahu. It was absolutely epic. I will link the hotel that we stayed at below. It was called Kaimana, and it had a beautiful view of Waikiki, so many smoothie bowls, so much surfing and snorkeling and ocean. It was amazing. So right now I'm gonna record a couple of reels and then I'm going to do my favorite thing ever, which is go to brunch. I will take you guys along with me. I wanted to also update you guys on my back pain. So in my last video, I talked about how I got my hair extensions out. But anyways, it looks like I still have hair extensions in because I'm wearing this thing called a halo. It's basically, maybe I'll have to make a video on this, give this video a thumbs up if you guys wanna see a video on this, but it's like this, it's almost like a headband that has the hair on it, and it looks like my extensions, but this way I can kind of take it in and out and see if it's hurting my back. Long story short, I don't think it was my extensions that actually was hurting my back because my back still fucking hurts. It really hurts. So I will continue to keep updating you guys because it seems like a lot of people kind of struggle with this same issue, but anyways, I started reading this book called Healing Back Pain by John Sarno. I will link it below, but it is, I mean, at this point, you guys, I've literally tried everything for my back. Nothing has helped. And this book, basically, the premise is that if you have exhausted all other options, there's nothing wrong with you structurally, you've talked to your doctor and you still have chronic pain, what it says in this book is essentially that your pain can be caused by repressed emotions. And so it's basically like the body's way of distracting you from the emotions that you aren't actually feeling. So basically the cure to it in this book, at least, is to think about your feelings, express them, go to therapy. I mean, all the things that are honestly so much harder than if somebody was just like, oh, do this back exercise or do this stretch or get a new mattress. So I'm definitely looking into that. I will keep you guys updated on if it works, how my back is doing. But anyways, I'm gonna go record some reels and then I will check back with you guys in a couple minutes. It is about 3 hours later. I recorded, I think, 7 reels. I try and batch them all, usually one day a week, so that I can get them out of the way. And it's always really fun. I have so much fun doing it. But now I'm really hungry. We are gonna head to lunch. We're going to another one of my favorite Mexican spots here in West Hollywood, Toca Madera. So I'll take you with me. Okay, wait, one more thing before I go to brunch. I have to show you guys my outfit because I'm really obsessed with it and how cute it is. So top is from Zara. Bottoms are from Zara. I'm not sure about the cut of these. I feel like they're in style right now, but I'm not sure how I feel about them yet because they kind of just feel like I'm wearing pants that are too short. I need some Gen Zers to tell me if these are cool or not. And then these shoes are from Aldo. I love them. They're like super strappy. They're on sale for like 50 bucks, but okay, so we finished at Toca Madera and then we stopped by Target to get a watermelon, obviously, because we are gonna have some more drinks out in the yard. And if you've never tried muddling watermelon and tequila, it is the best. And Eric also just bought us some sun chairs, so we're gonna go lay out in the sun, hopefully get a little bit of a tan, and I will catch up with you guys in a minute. Hi, puppies. Hi. Hi, angels. Hi, baby. We got these little lawn chairs. I think they're from Target, but It's gonna be perfect to lay outside. Ugh. Oh my God, I love summer so much. Feels so good out. And obviously I have this very attractive sun hat on because, as you all know, I have to keep the sun off of my face for hyperpigmentation reasons. It's very important. Hi babies. Stop eating grass. If anybody knows how to get your dog to stop eating plants in the yard, let me know in the comments. Good morning, you guys. It is the next day and Eric and I are getting ready to go out to breakfast at this place called Aroma. It's so good. And then we're gonna go for a hike. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, and it is a beautiful day out. Go potty. Go potty, Bella. Go potty. Go potty, please. This is the bane of my existence. I just tried to run for like 2 minutes and my chest is burning so bad. Anyways, we're on our hike now and I have my alien mask on. Actually, wait, wasn't it here that little kid was like, look mom, it's an alien.
Or a robot.
Or a robot. This is from Amazon. I will link it below. It's like UVA, UVB sun protection, covers your whole face and doubles as a COVID shield. But anyways, we are hiking Fryman right now. We used to go to Runyon all the time, but it's a little bit crowded there now, so I actually prefer this. But I'm gonna continue my run now for a minute or so at a time and try not to throw up.
I feel like that's my patented move.
Yeah, that's all.
That's all I ever
That's
do.
all you ever do in my vlogs. I promise he says more than that on normal occasions. Just finished the hike, hence this line on my forehead. We ended up going for like 7 miles, which is pretty impressive. It took us about 2 hours, but now I am headed to the store. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want more info on creating an online course, making money from wherever you are, pursuing your passion, essentially what I do, I will link all of the info to my free trainings down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.